Welcome back to Quiz Brain. Today, you're guessing the Italian BRAINROT animals memes by their voice. There are a lot of bonuses and fun. Each correct answer is on point. Only superheroes can do it. People always fail it. First challenge for you. You have to like, subscribe, and comment your city. You have 3 seconds only. Hurry up. Are you ready? Prove it. Well done. Write them in the comments, and let's start. Who is this? You have 5 seconds to guess.
Oh, gangster futera criminalera.
It was Gangster Futera. You better watch your step. This one doesn't play fair.
Gangster futera criminalera.
Let's move on. Do not forget to subscribe before time runs out. Write done in the comments if you did it. I'm watching. Listen carefully. Who do you think it is?
Rino, Rino tosterrino. Wah, pam pam, el torterello.
Correct answer is Rhino Toasterino. Did you guess correctly? Add a point.
Rino, Rino tosterrino.
Next round coming up. Guess the animal by emoji now. Who is it? You got it. Lirili, Larila. How many did you get so far? On to the next.
Raspberry sukpunilli. Sukpunelli. Raspberry.
I love this one. Can you guess it in 5 seconds? It's the iconic Raspberry Sopamili. Sweet, sour, and slightly explosive.
Raspberry sukpunilli.
You are doing good. Let's keep rolling. Would you rather choose Chimpanzini Cappuccini or Cocofanto Elefanto? Write your choice in the comments. Let's see which one wins. I love this one.
Ananita dolfinita frulli.
Who's making these dolphin sounds with banana energy? That's Benanita Dolfinita. How many points did you earn? Write in the comments.
Ananita dolfinita.
Next question. Who is Bri Brickus? Number 2 was correct. Did you guess it right? Add a point if yes.
Bam bam, bim bim, bom bom. Spaghetti Tualetti.
Time's ticking. Which animal is this? Of course, it's Spaghetti Tualetti. He's a mess. I am not a fan of him. And you?
Spaghetti Tualetti. Tualetto spaghetto.
Moving on. What is the correct name for this brain-rot animal? Do you know? Yes, it's Orangutini Cocosini. This one is brand new, isn't it? Listen close.
Glorbo. Frutto drillo. Nel profondo della palude.
You might recognize this mysterious one. That was Glorbo. Classic Glorbo is cute, right?
Glorbo. Frutto drillo.
Keep up. Next animal up. How do you rate this video so far? Drop a quick rating in the comments. I want to know what you think. Fire.
Giraffa celeste. Viaggio agreste. Dans la lune tutta dorata.
Elegant and tall. Who could this possibly be? Say hello to Giraffa Celestre. She walks like she owns the galaxy.
Giraffa celeste. Viaggio agreste.
More to guess. Find the odd raccoon. This one should be easy, right? Let's see how fast you find it.
Camelloni camellucci. Melon melon melonel.
Who makes that fabulous entrance? It's Camelloni Camellucci. Was it easy?
Camelloni camellucci. Melon melon.
Let's go further. Choose your gift. If you pick green, then subscribe to Quiz Brain and comment your favorite game. If you choose red, write in the comments the city you live in. Let's see who's from the coolest place.
Trick track baraboom. Il mio mantello fa rum rum. Nel cuore di...
Boom! What's this one called? Correct. Trick Track Baraboom. Do you have the same large feet as he has?
Trick track baraboom. Il mio mantello fa rum rum.
On we go. How do you rate this video? If it made you smile, leave a star in the comments. Guess who explodes with fruity energy?
Granade frulli frulli frullicino. Gufo freddo.
You have only 5 seconds. It's Granid Frolli. Careful, she might juice you. I am sure you are doing great.
Granade frulli frulli frullicino.
Let's go again. What is the correct name for this brain rot animal? It's Bombardiro Bandito correct. Add a point if you got it. Try not to laugh. Who is this?
Graipussi medusi. Graipussini.
That's Graipusi Medusi. We are almost done. You're doing great.
Graipussi medusi.
We created our own brain rot animal. Guess what it is? This is our very own Melanino Roccanino. Isn't it cute? Write in the comments if he is your favorite now. Crunchy, nutty, and a little bit fruity. Who is it?
Cranberrini squirrelini. Kutai kuti squirrel.
Yes, it's Cranberrini Squirrelini. Probably hoarding your points too.
Cranberrini squirrelini.
Keep it going. Would you rather choose Boneca Ambalabu or Bobrito Bandito? Comment your pick and let the battle begin. Tropical, smart, and cheeky.
Orangutini ananasini. Puppa badabim.
Sound familiar? It was Orangutini Ananasini. How many points do you have so far?
Orangutini ananasini. Puppa bad.
Next one. Guess the game. Was it Minecraft, CS2, or Roblox? Comment your answer and tell us your favorite one to play. And this final one is spicy. Guess quickly.
Mangulini peroncini. Car.
You got it! Mangolini Peroncini. I am sure you did amazing.
Mangulini peroncini.
That was the last one. Congratulations! Now don't forget to hit like, subscribe. Also, count your points and share your final score till time runs out. Which animal was your favorite today? How many did you get right? And more importantly, check our previous videos and I'll see you in the next quiz.